Hey y'all, it's your girl Rae'lyn Chanel. Welcome to my first video on this easy, sleek ponytail. If you guys are interested on how I achieve this look, go ahead and stay tuned. So we're getting started with natural hair, all washed and conditioned. I'm just gonna spray it with some water and put in my Profectiv Mega Growth Leave-In Strengthener Conditioner. So I'm just gonna lather my hair with that product. Now we're gonna get into my Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. This is gonna help protect my hair from any thermal damage. Now the Biotin Boost. This helps with thickening and detangling, which is so awesome because I actually have very fine hair, so anything that helps promote thickening is amazing. Now here, of course, I'm just blow drying my hair after I did put in both of my thermal protectants. With the Biotin Boost, it actually is also a thermal protectant, which is why it's a 5-in-1 leave-in. So now I'm done blow drying my hair. A little dancing, you know, a little crazy girl. But yeah, so now we're gonna get into the rat's nest. So I have some old bundles and I'm just detangling them here. Basically, these bundles I've had for a few months. So obviously when you have bundles, they do last a long time. So we're just clipping with the butterfly clip right here just to help with holding it and detangling it. Yes, I'm putting you on game, sis. Use a butterfly clip. You could get those in a pack for like $5. Now I'm just wetting and detangling it just to help with loosening the hair. As you can see, it's beautifully done. And you can see the before and after. I have two bundles, so you can see the before and after. This is the second bundle. We're gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing. Gonna clip it with the butterfly clip, spray it, and brush it down. So now I have both of my 22 and 24 loose wave bundles all ready to go. We're gonna wash the bundles together. I actually just shampooed, but you can definitely condition. That'll keep the longevity of the bundles. So now we're gonna get into the hot comb. I put this on 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This is why I use the thermal protectant, guys, because I do put it on really, really high. I like to make sure that my hair is completely straight. So now we're going to get into the flat iron. I put this on 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And again, this is exactly why I put 2 layers of thermal protectant, just to make sure that the concentrated heat does not damage my hair. Obviously, for those that are all natural, you are going to get damage, but it's going to help prevent the full effect of the damage. So if you guys are the type where you want to stay natural, you don't want to do any type of heat protectant, doing flat iron, hot comb on your hair, you could definitely just do the blow drying portion, but I actually like to do both. So now we're gonna go ahead and put my hair up into a ponytail, which is where we're going to get the bundles wrapped around it. But first we're gonna prep the hair with my Eco Styling Gel. Gonna take a handful of that and put it on the front and the back of my hair. We're gonna just brush it in just to set it. And I'm gonna use my Got To Be glue, which is so amazing. It actually keeps the baby hairs down and keeps your hair like sleek back like this for about a week or two if you keep your hair tied up. I'm using this little comb brush, and it has a comb on the end and also a little kind of toothbrush on the other side. I like to use the comb. I feel like it kind of gets the hairs a little bit better. Wrap it up, and voila. Yes, honey. Just kidding. But yeah, so I did my makeup off camera. If you guys are interested in how I got this look, I might do a video. Just let me know in the comments below. I will definitely try to get this look done for you guys. So we got the 2 fresh bundles that we just detangled and washed, and we're gonna wrap the 24-inch bundle first. The reason why I do that is because I want to make sure that the bundles have a kind of layered look to them. So I do the longer bundle first, and then I put the shorter bundle on second, which is going to be on top. So it gives that nice layered effect. Very natural and very just cute. So this is basically me just wrapping, bobby pinning it, and just securing it to my liking. It does take some practice if you are not used to doing this technique. Bobby pins can tend to hurt. I personally like to do the bobby pins because I feel like they get secure. Now this part is going to be the end of the bundle. As you can see, I'm wrapping it all the way to the very end just to secure it. And I'm just detangling it just to keep it nice and fresh. Let's get into the second bundle. We're gonna wrap that, secure it in with the bobby pin, and pretty much just do the same exact thing. Just wrapping it all around, securing it, making sure it's not too tight, not too loose, just perfectly secured. And we're at the very end, and we're going to do the same thing, secure the end with the second bundle. We're going to go ahead and take a medium section to wrap around the base. This is going to help cover the tracks, just so you don't see the tracks from behind. And we use the Got To Be Glued freeze spray to help with keeping it nice and secure, almost like hairspray, but so much more better. Okay guys, well this is pretty much the end of this look. I'm just kind of touching it up now and we are done. So as you guys can see, it's a super easy sleek back ponytail. Nothing too extravagant. You could definitely do this at home. I've been doing this for months now. Just super easy. I do work full time, so it's really just shake, wake up, and go. Just keep it wrapped at night and you're all good to go. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.